Testing, 1-2. It's Canoe FC having a 4-0 lead to start the second leg against Inter Toronto here in the semifinal series. I'm back to my full health and I'm back here at Central Tech ready to roll. The first half is next. Alright, here it is, a 2-0-3, and I can say suey. And of course, your referee Obi's here as well. For all of these reasons, here we are to start the second leg. Provide my Hyundai retailers. Oh yeah, they're making sure about the counter. Alright, we're on the way, vamos! .206. And Mikey Nistov inside for CC. And then there's Pierre. And perhaps Alex. And then Mikey Nistov looking for Mikey Rose. Oh, and Sandra Rajami was in again. Oh, yeah, look out, Chris. That's Christian, thank you. So both teams have started without a sub. And I imagine, I don't know where Aaron Vasquez is right now. What's long? Yes, Mikey. Right up and out of play. And there's Peter. It seems Jerry has a little bit of a sophistication with the Roadrunners. And speaking of a Roadrunner, and here's Alex Magnifico. The pass on was a good idea there for Karush. Karush was in all alone, and he would have had it easier. Yes, Mikey. Thank you. What a way to be there. Anybody want to... easy heavy time. Nistov and Peter. And Mikey Nistov. Oh, flipped one. Oh, too far for Namdi. Namdi in again. Oh, and Alex was right there. Alex Magnifico was all alone. Hey, long ball. What's a long ball? That was all. Is this going to be getting greasy a minute, Worthley? Oh, yeah, and now look out, Christian. Thank you. And here is Peter again. And there is Mikey Rose. Foul call, Inter. Oh, thank you. And here's Mikey Rose and Peter. And the call is... And then Sandra. And then Mikey. Easy, Mikey. Oh, yeah. Look out for the ball. Step. Yes, Pierre, it's yours, Mikey. And aye. Watch the offside. Yes, Namdi. Easy, Namdi, easy. It's a good play for Oben. Foul called. Yeah. Easy, Peter, easy. Yeah. And Mikey's. And Yevi. And Oben. Flipped one right to Sandra Rajami again. Into the glove of the internet miner. Still 4-0 on aggregate. Still 0-0 in the second leg. And Mikey Rose and Sandra Rajami. Here's Kurush. Holding, shooting, block, scramble, Sandra. Carter. Wait, where is Petra? And where is Matthew Morris? And now there's Juan Garcia and Mikey Nistov. And then there's Peter. Yeah, Alex. Karush. That's it. Here's Alex again. Oh, Alex Magnifico was in all alone. Drop mate. Yeah, thank you, Mikey. Oh, it hit the veil. What's the long ball? Yeah, well, what's the side? What's the side? Oh, yeah. Now, look out, Christian. Thank you, Christian Cicerelli again. Turn, Cruz, turn, mate. Yeah, that's it, open. Aha! Here's Alex Magnifico. Oh, great. Until then, it could have been Mikey Rose's idea. Could have been until what he would have been easy. And Yevi. Calm it. And Yevi, almost working here for Namdi. And Mikey Rose, and there is Yevi. And Mikey and Kurush and Sandra, and a foul on Inter. Thank you very much. And open from long range. Went over top of the pipe. Oh, Alex Magnifico was in there all alone. Yes, thank you, Christian. And here's Alex Magnifico. Almost working on his favor. Was into the glove of the netminder. Yeah, Chris, that's yours. That's it. Easy. Turn. And Juan Garcia again. Matthew Moore is the only sub so far. And here is Mikey Nestoff. Oh, and Alex Magnifico, I had to think about it. Nice maneuvering. Mikey Rose, later it off Cruz. Later right back to Mikey Rose, to Mikey Nestoff, who had to think about it. The two Mikeys are out on this slide here. It was Yevi and Namdi. Namdi inside, Sandra Rajabi centers it! Yes, Alex Magnifico! At the top right corner, and it's 1-0 Canoe FC 2, or Canoe FC 1 rather. A 5-0 lead on aggregate as a result of Alex Magnifico's finish. 5-0 on aggregate, 1-0 in the second leg. So it's a goal for Alex Magnifico, and Canoe FC 1 have a 1-0 second leg lead and a 5-0 lead on aggregate. Oh, what a save by Juan Garcia off a deflection in front. Juan Garcia again. Yeah, right there. Alex, Kurush, Mikey. Yeah, good. And Kurush. That's it. Now here's Kurush. Oh, too far there for Namdi. Almost working on his favor until then it's the Inter Toronto ball. And Mikey Rose, too far for Namdi. Oh well. Does anybody see the long ball? Yeah, one more, Peter! Yeah, Kurush. How about Peter and Sandra join the attack this time? But off the pipe. Be careful with that one. Step on him. Yeah, Peter, step. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, there you go, Christian. There you go. Green light by Mikey Nestoff. Then the ball's won back by Inter. Boys drop. Close him. Close the door. There you go. That's the way. Left, right. What's the left? Thanks. Out there. Thank you. Rose. Yevi. Oben or Kurush. Sandra. Or Alex. Alex again. Drop boys. Watch right. Gallop. Christian, that's yours. All right, to me. Oh, boy. Oh. Ooh, and Alex Magnifico gave the ball away. This smells trouble. Yes, there by Christian Cicerelli. The keeper of Inter has seemed to be having a lot more problems here. A 5-0 aggregate lead. Hey, watch long! Thanks there for Christian Cicerelli. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, man. Oh, my goodness. A delay penalty. And Peter, and Kurush, and Mikey Rose. And here's Peter. Yet again, looking for Sandra Rajami. Great, it's a goal kick. And there's Alex Magnifico again. Flipped one. Oh, and Sandra Rajami was in there. Hey, watch 3. Watch 3. Anybody on a blue? Yes, Peter, mate. Thank you. Oh, the battle continues. Thank you. And Mikey Rose. And open again. Oh, and that was Magnifico. Look like he was onside for a minute. Take a leap. Hey, anybody want to think about this? Yevi. And Namdi. And Mikey Rose. And now Matthew Morris is going to come in for the first time today. Yes, Peter. Alex. Cruz. Mikey. And it's time for Namdi. Yeah, open. Finger for Alex Magnifico. Yes! Oh, boy. Well, he's got his second. And it's a 6-0 aggregate lead. And a 2-0 second leg lead. Alex Magnifico. He's done it again. The great Dean has done it again. And I can smell another round of falafels. Alex Magnifico, 6-0 aggregate lead. Well, it's a 6-0 aggregate lead and a 2-0 second leg lead. Off the leg of Namdi. Well, it could have been easier than said and done. Watch long, watch a switch. Watch long! Yeah, there's Peter. Green light by Peter. Thank you, Peter. It could have been easier for Sandra. Thank you, Mikey. Easy, Chris. Turn. It is. Well, if we don't have subs, well, we do have one. We could present a water break. It depends. Because looks like anybody will need to have a water break. And Namdi, oh boy, would have been easier. We're just cruising along here on the aggregate level, 6-0, a 2-0 second leg lead. Back-to-back goals for Alex Magnifico, and the boys in red have a 2-goal lead. Now here's Mikey Distov. I was knocked away again. It looked like it was off of Inter. And look, it was out of play. Thank you. That's it. The time. Namdi. Yeah. Sandra. And Peter. And Matthew Morris just checked into the game. I think I got water. Yeah, Alex, there's one right here. Yeah, use that one. Peter, green lighted. Boys drop. Thank you, Juan. Thank you. There's another thing for what Juan can do so much easier. And Mikey Rose and Peter. Yeah, Sandra. Yeah. Boys, recover. Thanks, Chris. Thank you. Yeah, Mikey Rose. Here's Peter from Mikey Rose. Sandra Rajabi. One timer! Oh, and Mikey Rose had to think about it. Threw a screen out in front and the dead left, center, right. How about Mikey Rose on this shift here with Peter and Sandra Rajabi? And of course, Mikey Nisha, an open attack. Boys, drop! I wonder where Richard went. There's Richard. Oh, about number 16. He's back again. And there is Chris Cicerelli again. Oh, beautiful footwork from Matthew Morris. Second pass. Oh, man, Cruz was right there. You know. Peter, that's yours. Thank you, mate. Here's Chris Cicerelli to Mikey. These stuff. Yeah, Cruz. Time. Yeah. And Matthew Morris. And Mikey Rose. And open attack. Oh, would have been easier. Kept in by Mikey Nisha, who fires with one up and out of play. Yes, there is no water break today. And Juan Garcia. And Yevi. And there's Chris again. Here's Albin. Cruz had to think about this. And here's Mikey Rose. And it is Peter. Mikey. Man, Cruz had to think about it. What's long? Yeah. Now look at it. This one's a wet wide. There's gonna be a goal kick right there. Here's Peter again. And here's Yevi. And Peter. Oh, too far for Namdi. Okay, a bit better now. Albin, Namdi. Mikey. Albin attack all the way. Oh my goodness, went off the side netting. He can't believe it. I thought it was going to go in. And the net rippled. It looked like it was going to be about 3-0 to start the second leg. Unfortunately, it was just off the side of the net. Turn, one. Thank you. Oh, would have been easier for Matthew Morris. Drop. Oh, easy, Christian, easy. One. Oh, no! Wait, Juan Garcia. Oh, boy. And Bobby can't believe it, and neither can Richard can't believe it. Unfortunately, it's a penalty for Inter Toronto. And they're going to argue about it. And the Inter players shake it up on the play. Well, unfortunately, so much for Juan Garcia's shutout. And for all of these reasons, Alex, and watch out in the middle. It's all up to Juan Garcia to keep his clean sheet in the second leg. And look out here. Ooh, dang it! I'm sorry, Alex, about this one. But it's a 6-1 aggregate lead right now. And Inter Toronto are on the board, and it's 6-1. But it's 2-1 the second leg. It's a next from me! Oh, whatever. Oh, well, so much for the shutout of Juan Garcia. 2-1 in the second leg, and 6-1 on aggregate. And Peter, yeah, Karouche. And Mikey Rose, yeah, time. And Karouche. Here's Mikey. Talk, yeah. Mikey Nisha. Here's Sandra Rajabi. Went over top of that. Oh! Cruz. Almost right here. I wonder where's Richard. I haven't seen him on the field yet. There's only Namdi in it. Where did Richard go? Mikey Rose fires. Stopped by the netminder of Inter. Well, it could have been easier. So it's 6-1 on aggregate, as Inter Toronto have cut the lead to 6-1. Well, at least it's not 6-2 this time, and it's not 2-2 in the second leg. Thank you very much. It's going to be a goal kick in favor of Juan Garcia. Of the urgency, Jerry has come in for the first time today. Oh, here's Oben. Oben attack. Oh, green light by Mr. Oben attack. Oh, what a move in. Wait. Hey, not a bad idea. Peter right here. Mikey Rose. And Peter. And right back to Mikey Rose. Yeah, again. And Mikey do stuff. Oh, boy. And here's Oben. Oh, Namdi had to think about it. Easy, Oben, easy. Relighted by Oben. Oh, great. Unfortunately, Oben has come in a foul like this. Let's win it! They're not going to have any stops, so watch out for a long ball. Oh! Relighted out of there. Oh! No, thank you. Simple, Peter. Come on. And Oben. Oh, yeah, that's a foul there. Oh, halftime, Alex. 2-1 in the second leg for the Canoe FC 1 and 6-1 aggregate lead to end the first half of the second leg.